Those black dots on your nose, 90% of you are treating them completely wrong. And the pore strip you ripped off this morning, it didn't remove a single blackhead. It just pulled out the top layer and left the rest sitting there, ready to clog again by tomorrow. You've tried everything. Charcoal masks, pore strips, scrubbing so hard your skin turns red and angry. And somehow by next week the blackheads are back. Sometimes worse. That's not bad luck. That's because none of those things actually treat the cause. You've been managing the symptom and ignoring the actual clog. Quick myth buster while we're here. Those tiny grayish dots on your nose that never seem to go away completely. Some of those are actually sebaceous filaments, a totally normal part of your skin's oil delivery system. You cannot permanently remove them, and trying to will just irritate your skin. Real blackheads are darker, more raised and treatable. Filaments are just your skin being skin. Step-by-step routine. Step 1. Double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser to break down sebum and sunscreen. Massage for 60 seconds on dry skin, then rinse. Follow with a gentle water-based cleanser to clean off the rest. Mistake to avoid. Skipping the oil cleanse and going straight to face wash, you'll miss the oil-based buildup sitting deepest in your pores. Step 2. Steam or warm water prep. Splash your face with warm water, or hold a warm damp towel on your nose for 60-90 seconds. This softens the plug and makes the pore opening slightly more accessible. Mistake to avoid. Using scalding hot water, it irritates skin and can trigger more oil production, the opposite of what you want. Step 3. Chemical exfoliation, the actual fix. Apply a 2% salicylic acid BHA product. It's oil soluble, so it travels directly into the pore. Leave on for the time stated on your product, usually 10-15 minutes, 2-3 times a week max. Mistake to avoid. Layering BHA with a physical scrub the same day. That's how you get a compromised skin barrier and a face that stings in the shower. Step 4. Clay mask, optional oil absorption. If your skin is on the oilier side, follow up with a kaolin or bentonite clay mask, left on until it just starts to dry, not fully cracking dry. 8-10 minutes is enough. Mistake to avoid. Leaving clay on until it's rock hard. That pulls moisture out of your skin, not just oil. Step 5. Barrier repair. Finish with a niacinamide serum and a ceramide-based moisturizer. This is the step everyone skips, and it's the reason their routine stops working after 2 weeks. Treating pores without repairing the barrier is like renovating a house with the front door left wide open. Mistake to avoid. Skipping moisturizer because your skin is oily. Dehydrated oily skin overproduces oil to compensate. You'll undo everything you just did. Bonus tips: use your BHA at night, patch test first, and give it 2-3 weeks before judging results. Don't combine BHA with retinol on the same night when you're starting out. That's a fast track to a compromised barrier. Don't use pore vacuums on dry skin, always after steam cleansing and never more than once a week. Budget picks, India-friendly, minimalist 2% salicylic acid, the dermaconiacinamide, Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, Multani Mitti as a clay mask alternative. Premium double alternatives, Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid, the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc, Ceray foaming cleanser. Frequency BHA 2-3 weeks week, clay mask once a week. Barrier repair every single day, no exceptions. Climate note: in humid, high-pollution cities, Mumbai, Delhi, Karachi, Lahore, oil production spikes, you may need BHA more frequently. In drier climates, dial it back to twice a week and lean harder on barrier repair. Real talk, let's be honest for a second. Around week 1-2 of adding a BHA, some of you are going to break out more before it gets better. That's called purging. Your skin is pushing out congestion that was already forming beneath the surface, just faster than it would have naturally. It's not the product failing you. It's usually done within 2-4 weeks. But if you're getting painful cystic breakouts that weren't there before, that's not purging, that's irritation, and you should scale back. Mini FAQ. Q1, can I get rid of blackheads permanently? Not permanently, pores don't disappear, and oil production doesn't stop. But you can keep them consistently clear with a maintained routine. Q2, is it okay to extract blackheads with my fingers? Only after proper steam softening with clean hands and never force it. If it doesn't come out with gentle pressure, stop. You're just injuring the skin at that point. Also, results take time. Anyone promising you clear pores in 3 days is selling you something. Real change here is a 4-6 week story, not a 24-hour one. Thank you for watching.